In some really good news, at least for everybody who's racing the 450 class, we have the announcement, or sort of announcement, whatever, from Chris Kiefer that this guy right here, Vince Friese, has separated his shoulder, or at least that's the report. It's no word on how severe it is or how long it's going to take. But from that crash right there, where he took out Dean Wilson for absolutely no reason, just because, that's what he does, you can see he falls right onto his, I think it's his right shoulder, onto his right shoulder, and then immediately walks away. Doesn't even try to pick up the bike, doesn't even try to continue to do anything. He's just up and out into the tunnel and away, which is really good. Good news for everybody who's racing next week in San Francisco, because supposedly he'll be out for that. And depending on the severity of this, as I'm reading, it's anywhere from 2 weeks to 12 weeks. So that could mean he might miss most of this season, which is going to be really good considering he did the first 450 Heat 1 crash was kind of caused by him. And then in the 450 main, he took out Roxon and Malcolm, and then Wilson right there. So if he's gone, everybody can just race and not be worried about some moron taking him out in a corner that has absolutely no purpose. And it is kind of funny if you look at the Moto, his socials or the Moto Concepts socials too, comments are off. Because he knows, like, that team has just got to be flooded with bad PR and just got to be looking at him like, what are you doing? And apparently, I don't know how true this is or whatnot. I have read a few places though that apparently after taking out Hunter, that or not Yamaha, Honda went over and talked to the team about what, who knows, but probably like, what are you doing? Do you want do you want us to pull any support that we have for you because your rider is an absolute moron and you keep, I don't know, accepting him or sticking behind him, whatever it is. But hopefully he's out for a while and everybody can just race normally and, competitively without being taken out stupidly. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, who do you think is going to win San Francisco? Are you happy he's out? Do you think he's a good entertainment? Because I've seen that too, which is absolutely insane that people are saying that he's good for entertainment because he's not. But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.